So right now we're doing some research on the different types of gulls. Can you tell us? Hi. Can you tell us the different types of gulls around here on Mystic Island?
Well, I know there's a laughing gull. There's also the black-backed gull, and I don't know the other type. But let me see if I can look it up.
They are beautiful. Absolutely.
The other common one is called the wing gull.
The wing gull.
Yes.
It's awesome. So the seagull that has the black head is the laughing gull.
That's the laughing gull.
All right.
Yep.
Oh, I just heard him laugh. You can hear them laughing. Hello, seagulls!
Look at them all lined up down there.
Where? Let me see. There they are. Oh, look at them down there, too. Oh, I saw him before. He's hungry. I think we should feed them more. Wow. Up for food. They want to eat. That's it.